Hey guys, welcome back to Ghosh for AI. So Microsoft Visual Studio Code is one of the most commonly used code editor, but it always requires a little bit of tweaking if you want to compile different types of codes. So in this video, we are going to show you how you can configure your VS Code environment for coding in C or C++. So watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's start. Okay, so let's start to configure the VS Code for C and C++ environments. If you have not seen how you can download and install the MinGW C and C++ compiler, please don't forget to check my earlier video. And also, if you have not yet downloaded or installed the VS Code editor itself, then also you can check those videos. I will put the links in the description. You can check it from there. So here we are going to open our VS Code. Now we have to install a couple of extensions to run this C and C++ environment. So for that, we are going to go to extensions. Here we can search for C, C++. And here we have a verified extension by Microsoft. So let us install this. Okay, this is installed, and we need to have one more thing, that is an extension for running the code. So we can search for code runner. Yeah, this is the one. This is also a nice extension to run different types of codes. It has support built in for different types of languages like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, and so on. So once you see the installation is complete, it is enabled globally. We are now going to create our first C programming file and see if we can successfully run it. So here we have to, so here we can open a folder where we want to write our codes. Let us create a new folder and say codes. And we can create a new file. It's .c, and let's write a short code. So we'll click on the play button and we'll see what happens. And here you see the code is successfully executed and we have printed hello world. But now you see that the output is showing in the output window and not the terminal window. For that, we need to change some settings. So we'll go to the settings. Go to extensions, then run code configuration, and down below we'll have this option where we can run them in the terminal, and we can simply, yeah, that's all we need to change. Now if we run it, I think we are going to run in the terminal. So what this does is this allows you to take some inputs if you want, and because in the output, this is only in the read-only mode, you cannot take any kind of inputs from the terminal, but now you can. So your VS Code is set up for performing any kind of C or C program, C or C++ programs. And if you like the video, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And without any other delay, I will bid you goodbye and very good luck for the rest of your day. I'll see you later in the next video. Bye-bye.